So I'm going to show you how to charge your Samsung phone faster. So there are a couple of things you can do. One, and the most obvious, is to enable fast charging in the settings. So go to settings on your phone and then scroll down to battery, tap on that, and then scroll down to charging settings, tap on that, and then you should see the option fast charging, and you need to go ahead and enable that function. Now, if your phone also supports wireless charging, you can also enable fast wireless charging on that Samsung phone. Now that's the first step. Now, the other main step to charging your phone faster is to get a fast charging brick. Now, there are plenty of charging bricks you can get out there, but you need to get one that actually charges your phone fast. And of course, a matching cable. Now, the standard cable that comes in the box of your Samsung phone is usually a fast charging cable, but any fast charging cable should be able to work. Now, personally, for the charging brick, I use this Ugreen charging brick. It's a bit big and bulky. You can get a smaller one, but this one is 100 watts. And I like this one specifically because I can charge 1, 2, 3, 4 devices at the same time. So I have 3 Type-C ports and I have 1 USB-A port, and I can charge literally anything, including my laptops. I can charge 2 of my phones, which I carry around all the time, and I can charge 1 other device, maybe a friend's phone, at the same time. So it's a whole 100 watts. It's a bit heavy, I have to admit, but it does come in clutch. Now I'm going to link another smaller one if you want to just charge 1 device, and it's also a very good charging brick from the same company. All right. So once you enable fast charging on your phone and then also get yourself a good charging brick and a good cable, there are a couple of other things you can do to charge your phone faster. All right. So one of the things you can do if you don't need to use your phone is to turn it off. When your phone is off, it charges much faster. So those are the main things you can do to charge your phone faster. Now, of course, there are other little things you can do, but those ones are insignificant. They'll just change the charging time by a very small, insignificant percentage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this useful. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.